What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JB, aka the King of Soul, and today we got some Jordan 8s to look at. The Air Jordan 8 Retro. Now, this is the Bugs Bunny colorway. Before we get into the review, do me a favor, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. If you dig the content, also hit that share button. These videos that we do on this channel are strictly for review purposes, so if you do happen to have any questions or comments, definitely feel free to drop those down below. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the review. So the sneaker does come in this black and gray box here, smack dead up top. You do have the Jordan Jumpman text there in white with the red Jordan Jumpman logo there in the background. And that black does kind of have, like, you know, some gloss appeal. The bottom portion of the box does just have, like, you know, that hit of gray. But if you do a 360 around the box, you will see some Nike Air brand in there in white. The bottom portion of the box, you do have like this hit of gray. Now they do have some Nike branding and copyright information over here in white. They also got the Jordan Jumpman logo and the branding here over, you know, on this side as well. Outside of that, nothing too special there to notate. But for those that do care about that, there you go. Now the box label on the sneaker reads Air Jordan 8 Retro. The colorway says white, black, and then true red. Now when you do open the box, now up underneath you do have, like, you know, this hit of white. The sneaker itself, it kind of came in like, you know, this black kind of like, you know, trash bag material, so to speak. It didn't come double wrapped or anything like that. So once you move that out of the way, you are met with the actual sneaker itself. Now this is one that I definitely wanted to get in the collection because I do have the Aqua 8s and the playoffs. So I was definitely waiting for them to spin back and give us this one because this sneaker has not been retro for quite some time. But excellent sneaker, man. One thing that I liked about this one is always because they had like that little crossover appeal with the hits of leather, and then it had like the number 23 branding on this one. It just kind of give you, like, you know, that retros 90s vibe, so to speak. But yeah, man, excellent sneaker. I definitely love the materials that they used on this one. Hits of leather throughout the entire upper, and they gave us, like, you know, some gray suede. Dope sneaker, man. Not gonna take too long on this one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. But again, this is the Air Jordan 8 Retro, and this is the Bugs Bunny colorway. So we're going to take a look at the right sneaker like we always do. Now, from first observation, the sneaker is built just like any other Air Jordan 8. On the lateral side of the sneaker, for the most part, you do have the hits of white leather going throughout the entire upper. You do have, like, you know, some white stitching. The mid panels here, you do have, like, you know, some preparation here. So you do have your circular cutouts. Now they did go ahead and give us this hit of plastic. Let's start here. So, you know, you do have, like, you know, that plastic TPU material going towards the heel there. And it does have, like, you know, the hits of gray, red, and then black. And then they did go ahead and give us this black nubuck material here, and it does have the Air Jordan text there. On the upper portion of the sneaker, you do have the hit of, like, you know, this gray suede. The sock liner of the sneaker, they gave us, like, you know, this hit of white. And then the midsole of the sneaker, it is, like, you know, a two-tone situation. So they did give us, like, you know, this hit of silver here, and then, like, you know, well, grayish kind of silver, if you will. And then they did give us, like, you know, the hit of red, you know, showing right here in the mid portion. The outsole of the sneaker, it has that hit of white. Other than that, nothing too special to notate. So switching gears, going to the front toe box area of the sneaker, you are met with more of this white leather material. Of course, they did kind of give us this side mud guard situation here in the white, and they do have some white stitching. The upper portion of the toe box, they actually did give us a hit of, like, you know, this gray kind of like suede material here, and that is consistent with, like, you know, the gray suede going on the heel here. The sneaker itself, it did come pre-laced, and they did give us these flat white laces. The tongue of the sneaker, it does have, like, this hit of black, and that is consistent all the way up top here. They did go ahead and give us, like, these crossover kind of, like, you know, lace straps here in this leather material. In white, and if you look closer, they do have the number 23 embossed in. The tongue of the sneaker, it is in a hit of black, but up top they did give us, like, this circular patch here. The circular patch does have, like, hits of red, gray, and then, like, a dark gray material. The Jordan Jumpman logo is actually in that hit of blue, and it does have like the hit of white. It's kind of like showing as like a shadow, so to speak. Nothing behind the tongue, but the inside of the sneaker is all black. I'm not going to pull it out, but on the insole of the sneaker, you do have like some kind of like multicolor, like retro situation going on there on the inside. Going towards the medial side of the sneaker, you do have your black strap here. This one does have the Air Jordan text, just like the other side. You do have your red, kind of like lace tab here. More of the hits of like the white leather. Of course, you do have some preparations, just like the other side. And then you can actually see some of the gray suede on the mid panel, and then going towards the ankle, just like you do on the other side. On this side here as well, you do have like more of that like hit of white with like the retro coloring going on there, and then you do have the silverish kind of like gray midsole here with the hit of red. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Now let's go towards the rear. Now you do see more of like the Velcro for the straps here in black, and they do have like some gray stitching. I don't think I had mentioned that before, but where you see like the gray suede, they do have like some gray stitching going on there. And then of course you can see like the hit of like that shiny gray midsole on the back as well. Now going towards the bottom, you do have your standard Air Jordan 8 traction. You do have like some circular kind of like cutout, so to speak, here. It does have like the hits of white. You do have like some red, gray, and black going along the mid panel here. Gray slope going up top, and then up top here you do have the Jordan Jumpman logo there in black. The left sneaker pretty consistent with the right. Everything over on this side is the same. Pretty dope sneaker, man. Excellent quality, man. Definitely glad to get this one in the collection. But if I were to rate this sneaker, I would definitely give this one a solid 10 out of 10. The Air Jordan 8 is one of my favorite silhouettes that Jordan brand has ever released. And then again, this happens to be like, one of my favorite colorways for this silhouette. So yeah, man, definitely a solid 10 out of 10. As far as like comfort and size and the sneaker itself, I would recommend just sticking true to size. Like for me, they do feel like comfortable on foot. Like you don't have to worry about like, swapping out like the insoles or anything like that. If you've ever worn an Air Jordan 8, you definitely know what to expect there. But these are dope, man. These are solid. Again, a 10 out of 10. And that's pretty much it. But I definitely want to take time to shout out the vendor who actually gifted the sneaker to the review on the channel for you guys. And I do encourage you to stay engaged like always, because I can be reached on all social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, even here on YouTube. Everything is the King of Soul. But before we go, I'm going to hit you guys with some 360 and B-roll like I always do. But again, there you go. Air Jordan 8 Retro, and this is the Bugs Bunny colorway. So there's the front of the sneaker, lateral side of the right, lateral side of the left. There's your bottom. There's the medial side. And then there's the rear. But I thank you guys for taking the time to tune in like always. But until next time, see you later.